Is your iPhone stuck on a black screen? Don't panic, it is actually an easy fix. Just follow these simple steps to force restart it. And make sure to save this video for later. Have you ever wondered why your phone screen just stays black? You try to turn it on, but nothing happens. Let's analyze why this occurs and find out how you can fix it today. Your phone might be failing for a few reasons. It could be a software crash, a sudden battery drain, or even a hardware issue. Let's find out. Let's fix it right now. Now, step one is to check if it's charging. Just plug in your cable and look right here. To force restart your iPhone, quickly press and release the volume up button, then press and release the volume down button, and then hold the side button. To force restart your device, press and hold the volume up and side button together. There we go. The glowing Apple logo is always a good sign. It means the system is responding. Now for step 3, let's check the update status. Just navigate to the support page on your screen. Here you can see if your device is up to date. Now, go ahead and click on the Finder software. You'll see your connected iPhone device icon shown in the interface. This will allow us to begin the process. If your device is still not responding, you need to try recovery mode. Follow these steps carefully. Now, press and hold the side button. Keep holding it until you see this recovery screen. There we go, now we are ready to restore. When you see this pop-up, don't panic. Always choose Update first. Only use Restore as an absolute last resort. This saves all your important data. And just like that, the screen is back on. Always try a force restart first. And that is how you easily fix the overheating issue. This iPhone 15 Pro is now running perfectly. Make sure to hit that subscribe button.